Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to take user input in CPP. To take the input from the user, we need to use cin object. So, but after taking the input from the user, we need to store the value in some memory location. So how we can store some value using variables? How to declare variables? We already learned that. So let's start the coding. To store the value in some variable, we must need to declare the variable before using it. So when in this program we will take two integer input from the user. So we need to declare two integer type variable. So I am declaring in variable type, then variable name a and b. So to taking the input from the user, we need to use cin object, then extraction sign, and we need to pass the mention the variable name. And and just after taking the input, we can just show the value of the variable. So val of a equals to a and b equals to b. In this way we can take the user input, and so done. So now we can just compile this file, and after compilation we can write the run the file. See, the cursor is here, just not blinking, but it's waiting for the input. So just write 50 and 20. So what is the value for a? So at first I am taking the value of a. So value of a is 50, and after that I am taking the value of b from the user. So value of a will be 50 and value of b will be 20. So just enter, press enter. See, value of a is 50 and value of b. But how could I know that program want to take some input? So in that case I need to write something before taking the input. So I am just writing cout enter the value of a and b. So just compile the file again and run the file. See, enter the value of a and b. So I am giving enter the value 10 and 15. Okay. So we can do also mathematical operation in CPP. So do any kind of operation. So suppose we want to do addition operation. So in that case we can write in C. So C is the variable which will store the addition of A and B. So just in C equals to A plus B, and cout I'm just showing the value of A plus B equals to C, and enter. So just compile this file again and run this file. See, I am giving 10 and 50, and value of a plus b is 60. We can do also multiplication, subtraction, division operation also. So just see different types of operation. Value of a plus b, a minus b, a multiply b, and a division. Yes. So just change the operations. A minus b, multiply c, and here a divided by b. So just let's see the output. What is the output in that case? So just compile this file again. Sorry, I think I did a mistake. Yeah, base, this must be b. Okay, so just compile this file again and run. I am giving value of a as 4 and value of b is 2. So just before run this line, see what will be the output. For if value of a will be 4 and value of b is 2, then value of a plus b must be 6. This must be 2. This must be 8, and this must be 2. So just see 6, 2, 8, and this is desired one. Okay, just check once again. Okay, just give 5 and 2. So for 5 and 2, the sum must be 7. This is 3. This is 10. And this will be 2.5. So just run and see. The a divided by b equals to 2. But actual answer will be 2.5, but as we are doing integer division, so it will return the float value of division. That means float of 2.5 will be like 2. If we want to get the 2.5, then we need to convert this integer into float. So just write this and just compile this file again. See 5 and 2. See the output is 2.5. Okay. We can also convert b also instead of a. Then also we will get the same answer. Just check it. 5 and 2. See the answer will be same. And also we can instead of declaring as AB as a float, also we can declare like that. So just compile this file. Now the answer will be A divided by B will be 2.5 because A and B both are in float. So just check whether it's giving 2.5 or not. See, it's giving 2.5 because A and B both are in float. So the division will be work like a float division. Okay. We can also take character type input in CPP. Say suppose I declare a variable, character variable as ch, and I want to take some character value from the user. So I just write COUT enter value of character, then just C character and just cout character equals to character and just \n. Just compile this file. See, character equals to a. So okay, let's do a arithmetic operation with character variable. After taking the ch, just do ch plus equals to 1, or for simplicity just do like ch plus equals to 1. So what will be the output for that case? If the value of character equals to a, then answer will be ch is b, because the ASCII value of 1, ASCII value of a plus ASCII of a plus 1 is nothing but the ASCII value of b. ASCII of b. So this line will produce, instead of producing a, this line will produce b. Just so just compile this file again. After compilation, just run this file for input a. See, the character is b. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also to share this video with your friends. Thank you.